Heuchera rosada, a shade garden superstar, FAQs by Vu. For those seeking a pop of color in their shade garden, look no further than Heuchera rosada, also known as Rosada coral bells. This easy-care perennial boasts stunning foliage and delicate flowers, making it a favorite among gardeners. Here, Vu, answer some of the most common questions about this shade-loving gem. What is Heuchera rosada? Heuchera rosada is a herbaceous perennial belonging to the Saxifragaceae family. A hybrid of Heuchera sanguinea and Heuchera maxima, it's prized for its long bloom time, attractive foliage, and tolerance of less than ideal growing conditions. What are the key characteristics of Heuchera rosada? Foliage. Rosada boasts medium green, rounded leaves that can reach up to 4 inches across. The foliage forms a clumping rosette, creating a textural contrast in the shade. Flowers. Delicate, light pink flower spikes emerge from spring through summer, adding a touch of elegance to the shade. Each flower stalk reaches about 14 inches tall, gracefully swaying in the breeze. Size. This compact perennial matures to a height of 12 to 18 inches with a spread of 1 to 2 feet. Its manageable size makes it perfect for borders, containers, or mass plantings. Light preferences. Heuchera rosada thrives in part shade or full shade. In coastal areas, it can tolerate some partial sun, but avoid harsh afternoon sun, especially in hotter climates. Hardiness. Rosada is a tough customer, thriving in USDA hardiness zones 5A to 8B. This means it can withstand winter temperatures as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit, -29 degrees Celsius in some regions. How does Heuchera rosada compare to other Heuchera varieties? The world of Heuchera offers a vast array of colors and textures. Here's a quick comparison of rosada with some popular varieties. Heuchera Plum Royale. This variety boasts deep purple foliage with a metallic sheen, contrasting beautifully with rosada's lighter green leaves. Both share similar light requirements and bloom times. Heuchera Georgia Peach. If you're looking for a bolder statement, Georgia Peach offers vibrant peach-colored foliage. It thrives in similar conditions to rosada, but may require additional watering in hot climates. Heuchera Miniature Doll. This dwarf variety is perfect for smaller spaces. While both rosada and miniature doll prefer shade, the dwarf variety may tolerate a bit more sun. How to care for Heuchera rosada. Rosada is a low-maintenance plant, making it ideal for busy gardeners. Here are some basic care tips. Planting. Choose a location with well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Amend clay soils with compost or sand for better drainage. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season and hot, dry spells. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Fertilizing. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring is sufficient. Over-fertilization can encourage excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Dividing. Rosada can be divided every 3 to 4 years in early spring to maintain its vigor and prevent overcrowding. Common pests and diseases affecting Heuchera rosada. While generally pest and disease resistant, rosada can be susceptible to strawberry root weevil. The larvae of this beetle feed on the plant's roots, causing stunted growth and wilting. Early detection and insecticidal soap application are crucial. Rust, fungal disease causing orange or brown spots on leaves. Improve air circulation and remove infected foliage promptly. Conclusion. Heuchera rosada is a versatile and low-maintenance perennial that adds a touch of charm to any shade garden. With its attractive foliage, delicate blooms, and easygoing nature, it's no wonder this shade-loving beauty remains a favorite among gardeners. So, if you're looking for a pop of color and texture in your shady haven, consider planting Heuchera rosada. You won't be disappointed.